This video will show how to buy shares of Dogness International Corp as an educational walkthrough. Dogness is a maker of pet care products and accessories, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker DOGZ. This content is for learning purposes only and not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to buy stock, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will be asked to verify your account with an identity document and to add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker DOGZ to find the company listing. Make sure you select the Dogness International Corp entry that trades on NASDAQ. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart for context. Confirm the company name, the NASDAQ listing, and the ticker DOGZ before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest. Then carefully review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order will queue or execute when it reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. After the order is processed, your new position will appear in your portfolio overview. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description below if you want to explore the platform.